Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here, and I'm back with another Walmart toy hunting video. So today I've stopped off at a Walmart in Edmonton, and I've hit the absolute jackpot with figures. Not only do they have the Roar attack figures and some of the wild packs, they have the brand new Mega Destroyer Stegosaurus and Herrerasaurus. These figures are insanely cool. I saw them in Drumheller, and now I get to see them again. It's nice to see that they're actually coming out in larger amounts and not just hitting the shelves and disappearing like Jurassic World figures in the past. Seems like they're keeping a good stock here, a lot better than what they have in British Columbia. But this figure is absolutely incredible. The paint detail is phenomenal. The fact that it's based off of the Jurassic World Evolution game is so cool. You can see it comes with capture gear. The quills on the back are rubbery. Even this button here is rubber. It does a double snap kind of jaw movement, which is really neat. The Stegosaurus also has really nice paint application. You can see the plates on the back. You probably press them and the tail and the midsection actually move, which is really nice. And you can see it comes with the capture gear here. That goes on the tail that it can break out of. So that's really neat. I don't think there's any new wild pack, no brachio. There's the Camp Cretaceous Spinosaurus. And then right next to it here we've got the Scorpius Rex, a slash and battle. And this one's now becoming a staple figure up here. I haven't seen the posable one in quite a while, so I don't know if that one's going to become more of a kind of shelf warmer or not, but for sure this one is one of the prize figures to be out now here in Canada. And it's going at 40 bucks. Just gonna put that guy. And then we've also got the Stomp and Escape Rex. This one's again becoming more of a staple figure, kind of like the Camp Cretaceous Spinosaurus. I think it's at a good price right now. It's like 40 or 50, which is pretty cool. I think this is supposed to be the Gyrosphere pack. It says Camp Cretaceous PK, so that's around the price of the Gyrosphere set, so I'm thinking it was here before. Then we got the Battle to Survive, so that's Extreme Damage Rex with that battle damage feature, which is pretty neat, and the posable jaws. It's still around here, but that right now is the kind of diversity that we have going on. We've still got the older Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous blind bags. They're still around. I'm not seeing any of the new Camp Cretaceous blind bags. Those ones seem to be out at Toys R Us. Well, not the ones that I've been to lately, but I did manage to find one at Toys R Us in BC, so that's hopefully something that'll be coming here soon. But I'm just glad that we finally have these figures out. They're going for around 34, which is not bad. It's considering their action features are really nice and the paints are a lot better than usual. So yeah, that kind of concludes this Walmart toy hunt. This one's a lot more successful than most of them, which is nice. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my goodness, before we go, these look super cute. I haven't seen these before. So these are out too. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye-bye.